Hello beautiful souls, welcome to my channel Mystical Annie. So today we are going to do a no contact reading for Gemini. This is a general reading, please see how it resonates with you. If not, you can ignore the readings. For more accurate and personal readings, you can reach out to me. The roles can be reversed in this situation. It can be either your energy or your person's energy. So let's see what do the cards have for us. Okay, let's see what do the cards have here. So this is a no contact reading for Gemini. What is the current energy in this situation? What is the current energy in this situation right now? What is the current energy in this situation right now? Okay, so Pentacles, we'll take that. What are their thoughts about you? What are the thoughts about the person here? What are the thoughts about the person here? What do the person thinks for this connection? What does the person thinks for this connection? What does the person thinks for this connection? Okay. Okay. What do they feel for this connection? What do they feel? What are the person's feeling here? What are the person's feeling here? The card just flipped. What are the person's current feeling here? Alright. Why there is silence? Why is nobody reaching out? Why is there silence in this connection? Why there is so much silence in this connection? Why there is so much silence in this connection? Why there is so much silence in this connection? Why there is so much silence in this connection? Right. Okay. What is blocking this connection? What is blocking this connection? See, what is blocking this connection? Right. What is blocking this connection? Okay. What is the next move, if any, the person has to take? What is the next move, if any, the person is planning to take by next 1 to 2 weeks? Next 1 to 2 weeks. What is the next move the person is planning to take in next 1 to 2 weeks? Those were 2 cards. I just need 1. What is the next move the person is planning to take? What is the next move the person is planning to take in next 1 to 2 weeks? Okay, I think this one wants to come out. Alright. Okay, what is the advice for you here, Gemini? Okay. Bottom of the deck we have 6 of Wands. So here I think the person is basically focusing on growth, on making a move. Now let's see what is happening in detail. Okay, so energy between here is, I think, being focused on the financial growth instead of focusing on the connection or the emotional connection basically in this relation or in this situation, I should say. So I think the focus here is either you both are focused on your financial growth, financial abundance, and focusing on how you can grow financially in your work or in your career instead of focusing too much on the connection. That is the overall current energy between you guys, what I feel. Let's see what the person thinks about you. I think this is not a very positive thought here. I think, as I said, the roles can be reversed. So one of you is trying to be superior to another. It can be being superior in terms of, financial security, in terms of position, in terms of, being at a certain level. It can be anything. So here I think somewhere the energy is of being at a superior place, and that is why somewhere the ego clash is happening. Okay, because it is like one of you tries to put the other person down in some or the other way. Okay, means not giving importance to what the other person is saying or not taking care of the emotions of other person. Even if one of your behaviors hurt the other person, you don't care or they don't care. Okay, so that is what I think is happening. Okay, let's see what the person feels for you. I think they are just going with the flow. They are like, let's see how the things goes. Okay, it's like they are just going with the flow, trying to see things on how it's going to turn out in the long run, if there is any, or if they are having another person, another situation, if other person they are in touch with, they want to just explore and see which one is better and let the universe decide. I'm not going to decide anything, I'm not going to feel anything, I'm not going to communicate anything. Let's see what happens, let's go with the flow. That's the kind of feeling I think this person is having right now, or you might be having right now. Let's see why they have gone silent. As I said, right, one person in the connection is looking at the another side, not focusing on the relation. It can be focusing on the growth, financial growth, instead of focusing on the relations, or going towards making things better. They are like looking away to make things better, not in the connection right now. Their focus is on financial growth, or being too much busy in their work that they don't have enough time to work on this relationship. Yeah. See here again, what is blocking this connection is they are too much busy in their work, that somewhere they are feeling like, okay, this person is already available. Let me not focus right now on this connection. I should rather focus on my growth or expansion. If they're in business, they are thinking of expanding their business, or there is also a chance that this person is also looking for another option. It can be moving ahead, as I said, going with the flow, right? Going with the flow, moving ahead with another option if there is any. So this is not a good card. I'm not liking this energy. What is happening, Gemini? So let's see what is happening. What is the next move, if any? So see, it's a devil card. So devil here basically talks about, it can be like the person will be available but not to constant connection. It can be just out of the blue, hi, hello, how are you, and then silence. Then again popping up, hi, how are you, what's up, silence. Okay, so it's kind of making you feel that I am there but actually not being there. So that is somewhere is happening. If any communication is going to happen in next 1 to 2 weeks, I am seeing this kind of situation might come up, because they are not really interested in deeper communication or deeper conversation. Rather, it's just a hi, hello, and silence. Yeah, I'm not liking it here. I don't know what is happening. Advice for you here is to listen to your intuition. Okay, don't be in a wait and watch energy. Okay, the advice for you here is to listen to your intuition. Open your eyes, make a choice, make a decision. Listen to your intuition, and then decide what do you want in your life. Okay, enough of being stuck in this situation. You may be in a indecisive mindset. You are not sure whether to wait or to let go. And listen to your intuition. Do some meditation. It will help you to listen to what you really want and what is good for your future, or what is good for you basically. So that is the advice for you, my dear Gemini. Let's see what are the messages popping up for you. We'll take 3 messages. Okay, let's see. Intuition. See, I was saying, right, listen to your intuition. Your intuition knows what is good for you. You need to just meditate and focus. Okay, relations. Yeah, you need to see what do you really look for in the relation. Okay, is it only the money? Is it also the emotional connection you are looking for? Okay, health. Given you are in so much of this trapped kind of energy, or in this situation, you might also be it might be causing a negative, or like you might not be taking care of your health because of so much running in your mind. So you are being advised to focus on your health also. Okay, things will definitely work out, but health is wealth, right? So you need to focus on your health and work for what is good for you. Okay, that's the general reading, guys. If you have liked it, please subscribe to my channel for daily tarot insights. Bye bye.